Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Chris. I'm gonna make some three bean pumpkin chili. So I already have in here a can of pinto beans, a can of black beans, a can of red beans, and I've chopped up one yellow, not tomato, yellow pepper. And right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna go ahead and chop this up, and then I'm gonna add it to the mixture so you guys can see how I do this, because I know you don't know how to chop. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna go ahead and chop this up. So I've already cored it. You can see like I cut the core, and now I'm going to just cut this thing up. And so this is three bean pumpkin chili is what I'm making, and it's really tasty. I think I've made it I'll bet I've made it 10 times in the past like 6 or 7 years. And how did I wind up doing this? I was just looking for different stuff to eat, and you know, I mean, I could eat a burger and pizza every day. That is those are my favorite foods, but just want to try something different. And also, I did bring it to a potluck, which is a good place. You can try out your different recipes on people, and you can usually tell how good it is by how fast it goes. So one of my friends came over. I had made some bratwurst and some German potato salad and some other, it was kind of like a German meal. And I made so much potato salad. I thought, wow, there's so much extra. There's going to be, you know, I had made way too much. Well, when people were leaving, I looked over and there was really not that much left. And I said, wow, I said, you know, there's not much potato salad left. And my friend goes, yeah, I know, I had 4 portions. I was like, holy cow. So you never know. People might really like what you're cooking, so you might as well try it. So also I'm gonna take some garlic, and I need to get a couple pieces. So the recipe calls for 3 pieces of garlic, and I'll just pop a couple of these off here. 1, 2, 3. I kind of like more garlic than less. I guess it really doesn't matter. You can, you know, add more if you want to. I usually just break it like this with my fingers. I just kind of twist it. I know some people like to use their knife, but this is how I like to do it. So I got 1 right there, and it says to mince it. I know you can buy a tool that crushes it, but I do not have one of those tools right now, so I just chop it up. And you know, like, how fine does it really need to be? I really don't know. I mean, some people like it super fine, some people like chunks. I just do mine, you know, until I think it's chopped up enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop this up right here. But I gotta tell you guys, this is a really good recipe, and it tastes really good. It almost it tastes like beef chili without the beef. So the good news is you're not getting all the negative things from you know, red meat. I mean, they say red meat's not the best for you. I mean, I do eat red meat, but I'm trying to like kind of cut out some things, or just, you know, like I guess I would call it like eating cleaner, you know, not eating as much processed foods. But beef doesn't really fall under a processed food, so to speak. So got that chopped up right there. I'm just chuck it in there, and then I also have to get a couple other things. So, yes, I know this is going to sound gross, but this is pure pumpkin. You want to make sure you get pure pumpkin. and that, pumpkin pie filling. And I know, like, I thought it was really gross sounding, but I tried it, and you can't really taste the pumpkin in it, but it is super delicious. Last time I made this, I took it to a potluck dinner with some people, and there really wasn't much left over, and I was kind of not excited, or I wasn't upset, but I was kind of hoping there would have been more, so I'm gonna make some more right now. Just chuck it in here, and so right now you can see we got the pumpkin in there. We got bell pepper red, bell pepper yellow, 3 different kinds of beans, chopped garlic. Now I'm gonna grab an onion because it does call for an onion. So I did get an onion, and I can go ahead and chop the onion up right here. So hey guys, my 3-bean pumpkin chili is finally finished. So I added an onion, 3 cups of chicken broth, and then like 2 teaspoons of chipotle. I can show you what it is actually. It's right here. Chipotle chili pepper, some paprika, some cumin. I think I was supposed to put in some other spices and I didn't. But anyways, the recipe's on Aggie's Kitchen. So what I'm gonna do is show you the final product is right here. And I'm gonna actually make a bowl right now. So you can see it's got tons of good stuff in it. It's super healthy right here. And it's obviously you can have it for leftovers. I did put I think I put more pepper in than I had planned on it, but guys, if you're looking for a good dish, this is the one right here. I'll show you what you got. I would say total price for all this, so that's a big size crock pot, is maybe $12. I mean, I'll bet there's 6-7 meals out of it. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed my video, and tune in next time because I might cook something else.